In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to GoDaddy website. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Click the official GoDaddy result to open the site, then sign into your account. Use your usual login details and complete any security prompts so you arrive at your dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile name or initials. From the drop-down, choose My Products. This brings up everything connected to your account. Find the website you want to track and open its site editor or dashboard so you're managing that specific site. Inside the editor, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Google Analytics and open it. This is where you'll connect your site to your analytics property. Now paste your ID. If you're using Google Analytics 4, enter your measurement ID, which looks like G, followed by letters and numbers. If you're still on Universal Analytics, enter the tracking ID that starts with UA. A quick tip if you're unsure which one you have. In Google Analytics, open Admin, select your property, and check Data Streams for GA4 measurement IDs, or Property Settings for a UA tracking ID. Copy only the ID, not the entire script, and make sure there are no extra spaces. After you've added the correct ID, click Publish. Publishing pushes the change live so the connection can start collecting data. Give Analytics a little time to register new traffic. Real-time reports in Google Analytics are a handy way to confirm things are working. Just visit your site in another tab and watch for your activity to appear. If you don't see data right away, wait a few minutes, clear your browser cache, and double-check that the ID matches exactly. A few best practices as you wrap up. Use only one analytics property per site to avoid duplicate page views. If you later migrate from Universal Analytics to GA4, remember to update the ID here. And be mindful of regional privacy requirements. Display a cookie notice and update your privacy policy to reflect analytics tracking. That's it. You've connected Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website, published the change, and you're ready to start measuring what matters. For additional validation, the free Tag Assistant browser extension or the debug view in GA4 can help you confirm events are firing correctly as you navigate your pages. Remember, some ad blockers and private browsing modes can hide traffic, so always test from a standard browser session.